Hi friends! Today we are going to be making origami tulip drawings. And we always want to start by writing your name on the back. Once you've got your name on there, you are going to choose a couple colors of square paper for your tulips. For mine, I'm doing 3 different colors. Begin by folding each square corner to corner in half, making a triangle. Next, take that bottom right corner and fold it up a little bit on an angle and press down the crease. Do the same thing on the left, and don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. It might take a little bit of practice. You can then do this same technique with your other pieces of paper, making as many as you would like, and then we're going to glue them down. Using your glue stick, flip over each origami tulip and put a little bit of glue on the back. When you press it onto your paper, you might want to hold it down for a few seconds to make sure it's really stuck. You can decide if you want all 3 flowers to be the same height or different heights, and then we'll look at drawing our background. For my background, I'm first going to use a green crayon to draw my flower stems and leaves. You can use crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and the rest of the background is up to you. Try to think of spring things that you might want to add to it. Let's take a look at how mine turned out after I added my spring background.